car and a pack of cigarettes. At first you were resistant, but now you are my friend. I knew that I would get you in the end. Prison bitch. Prison bitch. I guess that you were sick from tomorrow. Prison bitch. Prison bitch. And now you are a prisoner.
Come on, Chris!
Jack, 3 seconds. Arm off.
Tough love. Tough love.
You're back.